TV for kids.
Walking through the jungle step by step,
Looking all around with every step.
tall green trees and vines so wide.
Who will we see on the jungle side?
Step, step, step.
Listen close, what do we hear? A mighty roar is coming near. Leo the lion shakes his mane, roaring loud again and again.
Roar like a lion!
Walking through the jungle, swing so high.
Watch the monkeys in the sky.
Maxy the monkey jumps with cheer,
Clapping hands from ear to ear. Now we stop.
What do we see?
A giant elephant by a tree. Ellie sprays water way up high, like a fountain to the sky.
Wow!
Quiet now, let's look around. Something slithers on the ground. Sally Snake moves side to side. Through the leaves she likes to glide.
Walking deeper, don't be slow.
There's one more friend we need to know. Lilli the ladybug, tiny and bright, flaps her wings in morning light. Flap, flap.
Jungle friends all gather near, roaring, buzzing, full of cheer.
Dance together, clap along,
Join the jungle, happy song.
step by step we had our fun. In the jungle under the sun. Wave goodbye till next we play. Jungle friends will save the day.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.